Good evening, everyone. This is Canadian Explorer. Actually, this will be different from my regular content. And actually, I have a problem with my brand new Samsung TV. And I will want to share to you this problem that I solved. So, I know you will encounter this problem when you bought a brand new TV. So, this is my brand new TV. I bought it last week, and what I found is when the Geek Squad uh, installed this, everything's fine, working fine. But when I'm watching, I want to change the volume of the TV. But what I encounter is very irritating problem. So when I'm watching TV, I try to change the volume to like higher volume, and it will not work like this one. See, it will not work. It will go to mute, and that's it. I tried the other side. It's the same. Our old remote control. You just press it down, press it up, or down, down, up, up, and it will change the volume. But this one, no. I don't know. The way they design this is very different. So I checked the instruction, and you will not find the instruction. And this is what I found after 2 days of trying. See the way they design this one. You're going to use your nail to change the volume of your TV. You see this one? When I accidentally push it up, and it changed the volume. So this is what you're going to do. When you up, see that one? It changed the volume. So that's how I accidentally solved the solution, and I want to share to you how to, so it will be easy for you guys. You don't need to encounter problem that I encounter. So this is how you do it. And then when you're going to lower the volume, you have to go the other way around. See, just use your nail if you have a nail, because otherwise you will not change it. So use your nail to change the volume, and the other one too. Okay, that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you share this video. Thank you.